What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be checking out a tablet, aka a tablet PC. Now this tablet was recommended by a viewer, so thank you so much for your recommendation. I cannot wait to check it out. Now I was able to pick this up on eBay for a little over $80. I'll throw up a little picture, as well as the purchase link will be in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. Now before we jump into the unboxing, let's cover some quick specs on it. Now it is an all metal body design, which is pretty nice for a tablet under $100. It's rocking a 10.1 inch IPS screen, measuring as a resolution of 1280 by 800. Now it is also rocking a quad-core Cortex A53 CPU with 1 gig of RAM and 16 gigs of ROM, and of course it's rocking Android 7.0. Now of course it's going to be Wi-Fi compatible, but added cool feature in this, you are going to be able to kind of put in a SIM card, but specifically a GSM SIM card, because it says it's unlocked, and I'm pretty sure if you live in the US it's not going to be able to work on Sprint or Verizon, because you know they still run a CDMA network. It's also going to have a dual camera system with a 5 megapixel rear camera and a 2 megapixel front facing cameras. So yes, you're not really going to be using this to take pictures, but if you want a video chat or if you really need to take that picture, it does have a decent camera. It's also a dual SIM setup, guys. I did not actually see that, but it is a dual SIM setup, so you can rock 2 SIMs as well as your SD card. Of course, you're going to get GPS and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. Now with the battery life, it's a 5000 mAh battery, so that should give you hours and hours of internet surfing, and that's pretty much some basic specs. Full spec sheet will be in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. Alrighty, so let's check out the box that you guys have been staring at for the last almost 2 minutes. Now, it's a pretty basic box, pretty thin box actually, and fairly light. Probably the lightest tablet box I've ever had. Alright, so nice graphics right here, simple but effective. We have some lines with some squares on there. We have some picture here which says linking people, the name Xgoody, tablet PC, and some nice little pictures indicating some of the features that you can do with the tablet. To the side here, more branding, more info, and yep, that's pretty much it. And then the back of it is just an all plain white. Alright, so that's the box. Quick look at the box. Let's pop it open and see what we get inside. So of course we get our styrofoam, nice cheap styrofoam right there. Okay, we're gonna have our manual, which you guys can go over if you like, but we're not gonna do that because the video will be too long. Here we have the micro USB cable, which looks to be about 30 feet long, but I'm pretty sure you guys already have a ton of those. And then we also have a micro USB to female USB end here, so I'm pretty sure you can connect like a flash drive or any, you know, keyboard, any USB peripheral devices. All right, let's check out the tablet. Pop it out of the little plastic bag right here. Alright, so we got a white tablet here with a pink back, and I do believe this comes in 3 colors. I'll throw up a picture so you guys can see. Alright, now weight, not too heavy. Of course, it feels a little plasticky because it is a pretty cheap tablet, but hey, all we're going to use this for is just straight internet. Alright, so let's pop it. Actually, before we pop it on, let's check out the buttons. So we have the power button, the volume up and a down button. We have a headphone jack there. I'm guessing this is a mic. Alright, okay. We have the micro USB input for charging. And then if you open this part right here, oops, that flicked right off. There's our 3 inputs. So we have 2 SIM card input and 1 micro USB input. Alright, let's lock that up. Bam. Alright, so let's pop it on, see what we rock with. Now, oh, before we do that, I forgot to tell you guys, they did also include a screen protector, which is a pretty nice gesture. So you're going to already have a screen protector in the box. All you really need is a case afterwards. So shout out to Xgoody. That was a nice but simple touch. I mean, a simple but nice touch. Alright, let's pop this on. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it rock out live. You guys can always skip ahead in case you don't want to see the, you know, this whole setup part right here. Okay. Linking people. Okay, so the speaker already sounds a little sandy, but at least it works. That's pretty nice. Okay, it's setting up in portrait mode. You have setting up the Android apps. Now I'm just gonna fast forward here. Okay, I guess I don't have to. Boom! And there's a tablet. So first thing to notice, there's not a setup to this tablet, guys. It's already kind of like preset for you. Yes, it's already set up for you, so you don't have to do a lot of like go through a whole bunch of settings and log into emails. It's already preset for you. So we're gonna rock it in horizontal mode because it's just a bit easier to use. All right, so it's a nice wallpaper right here. Let's pop it open. It's already unlocked. So okay, so not a lot of home apps. Let's go into the app drawer right here, see what we get. Now this has a lot of preloaded kids games, or just games that I think is kind of made for kids. Let's check out what this learning vegetable is. So it looks like this is going to be a pretty good learning tablet for your kid or child if you're trying to get them, you know, something to play around with and to learn as well. So let's go game. Okay, and the speakers are pretty loud. Okay, the touch looks like it's responding pretty nice.
Tomato.
Yeah, cool guys. So this is a pretty cool learning tablet. This app right here called Learning Vegetables kind of tells you, teaches you about vegetables and how to spell them. And yeah, there's a lot of cool games on there for, you know, itty bitty babies. Check it out, 2 babies. It's pretty neat, guys. So it looks like this tablet is going to be geared towards parents who's in the market for a tablet for their child and maybe don't have the money for an iPad, or, you know, just any $100, $200, even iPads run for like $600-700. If you want something on a budget, at least for a first tablet, this seems to be pretty cool, and it's already gonna have a lot of educational preloaded games in there. So this is definitely a step in the right direction. Now you do have the phone icon right here, which leads me to believe that you are able to make phone calls on this, which is pretty cool actually. We have Netflix that's also preloaded in there. Music app, which is preloaded in there. So in case, you know, you guys want to put some songs on there for your little one, you can definitely do that. It has a contact history, so I'm feeling like this is like a giant cell phone. Like this, I feel like this is a giant cell phone, guys. It's pretty interesting. Text messaging, it's just crazy. It's literally a giant cell phone. Alright, so let's connect this to Wi-Fi and let's see how the internet experience works on this. Let me go over to settings. Okay, Wi-Fi. Alright, I'll punch in my password really quick. Boom, and we're connected. Hulk, you know, gotta shout out to the Hulk. You gotta love the Hulk. Alright, so let's check out the browser right here. Of course, we're gonna go straight to YouTube because, like, what other website are you gonna really like I guess surf? All right, let's check out one of my videos. Okay, so this does not have the best speakers, but guess what? They work, and you can hear them. Okay, cool. We have some subtitles right there. Okay. Okay, so the surfing is not too bad. The surfing works, which is really nice. What else do we really need to know about this tablet, guys? The screen quality is actually not too bad for the little kids. It's not going to strain their eyes or hurt their eyes, in my opinion. Let's go over to the specs really quick to see exactly how it is. Now we got 86% battery. There's the SIM tool right there. You guys can put in SIM 1, SIM 2. There's your cellular data, which is preferred. So, you know, if you guys, you know, travel a lot with your child, maybe you're going on a long trip, you slap in a SIM card, guys. Just slap in a SIM card with some data on there, and it'll keep them busy, and, you know, they can learn with these pretty cool preloaded games on there. Let's go over to memory. Let's see how accurate those apps description were. Okay, so looks almost accurate, right? It's almost to 1 gig of RAM. Okay, storage right here. There's the 16 gigs, availability 11.1. I'm guessing it's using some, you know, some gigabytes to operate, which is pretty much standard. Battery. Okay. There's the battery specs, in case you guys, you know, want to check out that works. It says 1 hour and 39 minutes left, guys. So if we're at 85% battery and only an hour and 39 minutes left, that's actually not good, guys. That's actually terrible. But hey, just keep it charged. Just keep it charged. All right. About the tablet, let's see. Okay, Android version. We got Android 7.0. Boom. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Let's go back to settings. Oh, I went too far back. Let's go back into settings. So far, I'm actually decently enjoying this tablet. For, I mean, what it's worth, it's actually not that bad. SIM information, IMEI, so you can definitely activate this. 2 slots for 2 different SIMs. Alright, and there's not much more to say about the tablet. Depending on the, you guys know the specs. I covered the specs earlier in the video, so you guys should be able to know what kind of games this thing will handle. But you know what? Let me go into the Play Store. Type in my info, see if we can download some games. Alright guys, so I went ahead and downloaded some pretty cool games, and as well as Hulu, just so you can try out the streaming. Because to me, in my opinion, the only 2 reasons you're probably going to buy this tablet for, well actually 3, is for your kids. Maybe you want them to have their first tablet like I mentioned earlier. For yourself, for streaming, so if you're just going to Netflix and chill, Hulu and chill, YouTube and chill, also another good feature, and for light gaming. So here's Hulu. Hulu seems to load pretty fine on this. There was a little slight lag, but nonetheless it did work. Let's see if we can load up a quick video. I was watching My Hero Academia, and let's see if it loads. We're going to resume the last episode, and to tell you the truth, guys, the screen quality on this is, to my surprise, pretty good, guys. The colors, it doesn't pixelate as much, and yeah, look at that, guys. It's actually pretty nice. It looks like a little more high-end screen quality. So the screen quality is good for media consumption. So thumbs up for that. And the speakers are loud enough. Now they're kind of sandy or grainy, as you guys might, I don't know, whatever description you want to call that, but it works, guys, which is the good thing. And of course, you can always plug in some headphones if you want to have better sound quality. Yeah, so you can definitely Hulu, Netflix, etc. I did also download Asphalt. Now, if you guys are going to do some heavy gaming, and we all know Asphalt, in my opinion, is a pretty heavy game, especially for a tablet like this. And it loaded. It took a while to download, so heads up, if you are going to download Asphalt, this is going to take, between downloading and setting up, it's going to take about 20 minutes. And that's on Wi-Fi, guys. So, definitely a minute, but once it's installed, it seems to be running pretty good. Now, opening the app, as you can see right here, it does take a minute to open up, opposed to having like a super high-end device. But it does load. Let's hit play. So we're just gonna do career. Something quick and simple. We're just going to do the new race right here. We're going to go hit next. We're just going to drive this basic car. Let's start race. Hopefully no ads popped up. Apparently Asphalt is starting to run ads, which I do not like, but hey, at least we still get to play the game. Alright, so it's loading. It's taking a minute to load up. Now you guys can kind of fast forward at this point if you just want to fast forward to the gameplay. But I'm gonna just record this live. There we go. We're in Nevada. Now look, guys, the graphic is actually pretty impressive for a tablet of this, quality and price point. Yeah, and like it works pretty good. See, there's not much lag going on. Hopefully, I'm not making you guys dizzy. Oh snap! It kind of breaks up too much. But yeah, as you guys can see, it does work. Works pretty well, actually. Let's see if we can, like, crash into something. And it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to crash into anything. There we go. So perfect. Asphalt does work, which means that any game of similar quality and graphics will work fine. I also downloaded one of my favorite games of all time, Hill Climb Racing. Now, shout out if you guys also like or love Hill Climb Racing. Simple, but addictive, and it's an awesome game. Alright, we're going to wait for this to load in. Alright, we're just gonna hit start. It's probably gonna do a tutorial. There we go, guys. One of my favorite games of all time. It works like a charm. There we go. So, first hand right here, you guys can see gaming is not a problem for this pretty awesome mid-range, low-tier tablet. Everything seems to work fine on it. Clearly, everything works fine on there. Last but not least, just in case you guys didn't get a full experience of the sound, I am going to go over to... Okay, we're gonna allow that. All these setup stuff, allow again. Just gonna do that off camera really quickly. Okay, here we go. We are on YouTube. I'm gonna go to non-copyright. Okay, wait. I want to search in YouTube. There we go. Oh, and the texting or the touch sensitivity is actually really nice. There's no lag to it. For like, once again, for a super cheap tablet, for that feature to not be super laggy, like the touches, it responds on command, which is pretty nice. Please be a skippable ad. Please be a skippable ad, and it is not a skippable ad. I have to wait till the ad runs out. Bam. So let's check out a quick sound. I'm gonna fast forward the video. There you go, guys. So it's loud, but it's not the best sounding, speakers. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything I have to say about this pretty cool, affordable kid / media tablet. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comments below. If you have this tablet and have anything to say about it, also drop it in the comments below. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, link to the purchase will be in the description below as well. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.